In this presentation, the following topics will be covered: Mendeley Introduction, downloading, installation, and registration of Mendeley, about plugin, its installation and function, citation process. We will also learn how to create a reference list or bibliography, change citation style, export library, methods to update the library, and about web importer, also about groups and collections, and about the annotation and notebook function. Let me introduce you to Mendeley. It is a freely available software, used for automatic referencing and citations. It is preferred over manual referencing because of accurate, easier, and time-saving referencing. With Mendeley, you can easily switch the citation style of your entire write-up with just one click. Downloading, installing and registration of Mendeley is quite easy. Simply search for Mendeley, download and install it. And then freely register it with your email. Done. The Citation plugin allows you to quickly and easily cite materials and generate a references list. To install the Citation plugin, go to Tools and click on Install Mendeley Cite for Microsoft Word. It will open a window. Click on Get It Now, then sign into Microsoft App Source. Again click on Get It Now, then click on Open in Word. Then click on Accept and Continue. Done. This is a red logo of the plugin. This Citation plugin allows you to quickly and easily cite materials that you've added to your Mendeley library. Now, we will learn how to do in-text citations using Mendeley. For example, this is sample of a write-up, which will be cited. It is made simple and short for easy understanding. First, click on References, then click on this Mendeley plugin, Get Started, and sign into your Mendeley account. Sign in is needed one time only. For better understanding, let's start with a demonstration of how to insert a citation. After that, I'll show you how to add references here. Now click on the plugin, then put the cursor where you want to cite. Then select the one or multiple references you want to cite. Then click on Insert Citation. Done. It was the method of in-text citation. In the same way, you can insert more citations. Now the question arises how to add references here in this Mendeley tab. Let's discuss it. First of all, open Mendeley software. Click on Add New. Then click on Files from Computer. Then select the desired PDF articles you want to cite. Mendeley will upload and then generate automatic references. Similarly, you can add more references here. This list is called the Mendeley library. There are various methods to add references here. Other methods will be discussed in the later part of the video. Now open the Mendeley tab. You can observe that recently added references have not been updated here. Don't worry, just position the cursor here and then click on this little arrow. And then click on Reload. You can observe that newly added references have appeared. Now you can easily cite these as discussed earlier. To generate a reference list, click on these three dots, then click on Insert Bibliography. Then reference list will be produced at the site of the cursor. This reference list, also called a bibliography, is the detail of your citations. Changing citation style is quite easy in Mendeley. To change the citation style, go to the citation setting. Then click on Change Citation Style. Then click on the desired citation style. For example, I change it to Vancouver. Then click on Update Citation Style. It will be changed with one click. That's why Mendeley is preferred over manual citation. It's time-saving and accurate. Changing the citation style of the write-up is important during the publication process. Because every journal has its own preference for citation style, by using Mendeley you can change it within seconds, which is not possible in the manual. Now we will learn how to add any missing citation style. To add any new citation style that is not in this list, go to the end of this list. Click on Search for another style. And paste the name of the required style. For example, I am looking for Vancouver superscript style. After searching, click on it. And click on Update the citation style to change the citation style of your write-up. This citation style will be added to Mendeley's citation style list. You can export the Mendeley library for sharing purposes, or for later use. For exporting the library, first, mark the references you want to export. Then click on Export. You can export the file in various formats, click on the desired format. Note that BIB format is the most common. Then save it. This is the exported file in BIB format. This file is helpful when you require these references in a feature, or use them in a different reference manager. You can create, and then update the library, by various methods. Method 1 includes importing the library. To import the library, click on Add New, then click on the Imports file from the computer, then select the file format which will be imported. Then click on File, then on Open. After that, your library will be updated. And we have already discussed how to create this file. Another method to add references in the library is by uploading the PDF article. It is already discussed, but I am repeating it in short. To import any PDF article reference, first click on Add New, then click on the Imports file from the computer. Then select the desired PDF article. Then click on Open. Then the reference of that PDF article will be added automatically. The third method to add references is by the identifiers. For example, this is the DOI number of an article, copy it. Then go to Add New, then click on Add the entry manually. Paste the DOI number here and click on Search. The data form will be filled automatically. Then click on Add Entry. The reference will be added automatically. The fourth method is by manual entry. Go to Add New. Then click on Add the entry manually. And then select the reference type, for example, reference of any web page. And then fill in the required fields manually, then click on Add Entry. Reference will be added to the library. The fifth method to update the reference library is with a web importer. Web importer is an extension for web browsers that helps to add references directly into your reference library from search engines and academic databases. First, there is a need for a one-time installation of it. For this purpose, go to Tools, then click on Install the web importer. The Chrome browser will be opened, then click on Get the web importer for Chrome. Click on Add to Chrome. Then click on Add Extension. The extension will be added to your Google Chrome browser. Then pin it, for quick access to it. Now there is need to sign in to your Mendeley account. All done. Now, let's discuss how Web Importer works. For example, this is an online article. If you want to add its reference in the library, click on the extension. Then the list of all references on the page will appear, then select the appropriate reference. But note that Web Importer does not work properly most of the time, so first edit it, by clicking here, Update Details, and then click on Add to Mendeley. Then the reference will be added to the library. Remember one thing about the library, it clouds on your email. After delete Mendeley, if you sign in with your email, library will be updated automatically. Also note that, after updating the library, click on this arrow, and then click on Reload, to update newly added references in this tab. And make sure your internet facility should be available throughout our process. References can be organized into groups. For making groups, write the group name here. Then press Enter, group will be created. And then simply drag and drop the references into this group. There is also another method. First mark the desired references. Then click on Organize. And then click on Add to Group, to move the selected references into the group. References can also be organized into collections. It is also similar to a group, but subgroups can be created in it. For making collections, write the collection name here, then press enter. And the collection will be created. For making subcollections, click on these three dots. And make subcollections. And then simply drag and drop the references into subcollections. There is also another method. First mark the desired references. Then click on Organize. And then click on Add to Collection. Then select the desired collection. And click on Add. The selected references will be moved automatically. Notes and Annotations function. Under the Notes and Annotations function, you can save comments, or highlighted text of any reference article. Let's discuss it. First, open the details of any reference by clicking on it. Then click on Read. To comment on any part of this article, click on this. For example, if you want to add a comment here, click here, then write the desired comment. This comment will be saved. To check the saved comment, click on this notebook logo. And then on Annotations. These comments will be saved here. You also write any general notes about this reference here. You can highlight and save any important point of this reference. First, click here. Then highlight text. And press left click on it. Now you can change the color of this, or you can add this highlighted text to the notebook. But, note that these highlighted points need to be collected under a certain theme, so first, make a theme by clicking on this notebook logo. Then click on New Page. And give any name to it. This theme will act like a folder, and all highlighted areas of this reference will be collected here. You also export these notes by clicking here. One extra point, you can also download and save a PDF of any reference from Mendeley. Simply by clicking here. Following topics has been covered in this presentation. Thank you. For any suggestions, comment below.